Hello everyone, take a leaf and then add glue to the edge of the leaf. Then add some golden glitter to the edge of it after adding the glue. Stick it on a sheet of paper, make multiple of these and then make an almost triangular shape out of it. Add the top and then draw the shape of a girl. You have made a dress out of leaves. Then add the hair as well, add a cute little face using a marker. Next, take two of the same leaves and then put them one on top of the other. Tie a knot using the stem portion of it. Then, after doing this, spread out the sides as such to make it look like wings. You have yourself a butterfly. Next, take this maple leaf and then put it in between tape. Stick some other leaves in between tape as well. Then, fold some paper, colorful paper all around it and stick it in place. This is what it should look like. Next, cut out maple leaf out of paper. Fold it into a square, then only fold one side of it. Fold both of the edges upwards as such and then bend it in the center. Bend the outer edges as such. Cut it out in this shape and open it up and you should get your maple leaf. Next, start off by taking a potato, add these seeds all around it as such. Then to the top of it add eyes, a cute little nose and a cute little smile. You have yourself a porcupine. Now take this leaf and cut off the edges of it. Add eyes to it as such and then use any expression that you want. Add a snout to it in the middle. Cut it off and then add ears to it as well using other leaves. This is what it should look like, a dog. Thank you for watching.